Hello again everybody, this is Brandon Peterson again doing another tutorial. This is a cool one that was shown to me where you can take a image of any type and you upload it, and you can make this like with an image annotator or like a diagram with things that you click on, and you could use it as kind of a practice of learning the parts of something, or like in this case you have a picture, click on this, General Dwight D. Eisenhower, and it tells some information and it has a link on there. Pretty cool. And you can also embed this onto your website or share the link out however you want to. So there's a number of ways that you can share this out with your students. So again, this is at classtools.net/hotspot, and this is called a hotspot maker. So let's get started. Down here at the bottom it says upload your image. I'm going to click on that, and I saved a picture in my pictures folder of all places. Usually it goes on my desktop, and this is just a blank free image of an Earth with some circles around it that we want to use to give students practice for learning the layers of the atmosphere. Alright, so got the Earth here, got this. You can replace your image, you can save new, any of those kind of things. Now I'm going to just kind of click here in this first circle, and it brings us here, and right here I can use a link, I can use a description if I want to. This I'm just going to use a real brief demonstration of this. So I'm going to type in troposphere, and I'm going to click done, and it's got the circle right there for us. Then over here I'm going to maybe put this one in the second spot, and I'm going to type in stratosphere, and I'm going to click done. Alright, and then maybe on this one over here I'll click on this side, and for the title, mesosphere, and I'll click done. And then second to the last one we'll have on here is going to be thermosphere, done. And then last but not least we will put in exosphere, and done. Now if I wanted to, I could put in all the information there, like how far out it is from the Earth's surface. I could have a web link, maybe that takes us to, for instance, a YouTube video or some kind of an embedded video that explains it, what have you. But you'll get the idea of how to do it with this demonstration. I'm going to click done there, and so here we have these. Now all I need to do is go to save. I'm going to click save, and it asks you to provide a password so you can edit this later. Alright, so I'm going to come up with something here. Alright, and then I'm going to click OK. Fully saved, your template will now be loaded to the following unique address, but be sure to make note of it. Alright, and so we have this here, so I could copy that and paste that, you know, into a Word document, someplace where I could refer to it later along with my password. So I copied that. I'm going to click OK, and let's try it out. I'm going to open up a new browser here, paste the link up there that it gave me, and here we go. So here's the picture. Students could look at this. Oh, okay. See, so all that is on there, and it's a real simple thing to do, real easy to set up. Again, make sure your images that you're using are free to use. if you're looking for a few places for free use images where you know, for whatever, a good one is called unsplash.com. Unsplash.com, everything on there free for use forever, for commercial, for whatever purposes you want, and no attribution is required. You don't have to give anybody credit for anything, although it is appreciated by the artists. All the images in there are high resolution also. You have a nice little search engine for it, and you can just kind of browse through either. That's pretty cool. Another one that you can use is called Pixabay.com for images. Pixabay, you have to be a little bit more careful. So like if I'm searching here, or not globe, let me search for Earth, just like what I did earlier. And let's say I wanted to use this picture instead. You know, the top pictures are Shutterstock, and those are going to be ones you probably have to pay for. But down here, I could click on this one, or any of the ones underneath that Shutterstock deal. And on the right-hand side, Pixabay license. This one, free for commercial use. And you don't have to give credit to the people. So this one here with Pixabay, some of those licenses change a little bit. And when you are finding a picture, you just want to look there and be cognizant of what rights you have to actually use those images. But if you're looking for some sources for images, especially in my graphic design classes, we use Pixabay and Unsplash, especially when we're practicing photo manipulations and things like that. So anyway, on here, this is classtools.net/hotspot, and you're able to make little diagrams or interesting ways to have information where students can click on the different things. It could be anatomy of an animal, or it could be the parts of a business letter. It could be bones and muscles, or whatever kind of parts of a musical instrument. Whatever you can think of, you can use for that. Hopefully that is a useful little tool for you while we're making that content out there for our students, while many schools are closing down and you still want them to be exercising their minds and learning new things. Maybe this could be of use to you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.